Hi children, this is Lakshmi Arvinda. Today we are going to see chapter number 1 from your part 2 textbook children, not from the part 1, part 2 textbook, chapter number 1 cubes and cube roots. We already seen in the last video what is known by square and square roots. It's a similar to that only children. Here first if we'll see before getting into the chapter, I will just introduce about the Ramanujan number, Hardy Ramanujan number. One story was there about the great genius mathematician S. Ramanujan. What is that means? Professor G.H. Hardy come to visit him in a taxi, whose number was 1729. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy described this number a dull number. He told like it's very dull number, no, like that he just told for that Ramanujan. Then Ramanujan quickly pointed out. He told, no, 1729 was indeed interesting. It's really interesting. What it is means, it can be expressed as sum of the two cubes. How means 1729 is equals to 1728 plus 1, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube. Same way 1729 can be expressed as 1000 plus 729, again 10 cube plus 9 cube. So this number will be seen as Ramanujan number, Hardy Ramanujan number. Even though this feature of 1729 was known more than 300 years before Ramanujan. Here, why I am introducing first about the Ramanujan and this number pattern means, here you can observe that the cube, 12 cube plus 1 cube. Like these children, whenever we will be dealing with the different numbers, we can express that numbers as a squares, cubes in a different patterns. But we have to think and play with that numbers with the interest. Okay, now we will learn about the cubes and cube roots, how it will be interesting way. How it will be. Cube means you know already. Cube is nothing but we will listen that word in the geometry where all the sides will be equal. It's a three-dimensional figure, all the sides will be equal. For example, here if we'll take one cube of 2 centimeters, all the sides will be 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. This is from the geometry. In a real life, what is meant by cube means, in a real life in the sense, in a arithmetic. Okay, in a geometry, cube is a three-dimensional figure where you can see all the sides, means height, length and also width will be same in a same. If we will come for the arithmetic, what is meant by cube means, cube is nothing but if we will multiply the number itself 3 times. For example, if I am having 3, then 3 times 3 into 3 into 3, then we will call it as a 3 cube. If I am having 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times if we will multiply itself, then we will call that as a cube of that number. If we will see, here we can see some of the cubes. 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Still it is there children. 5 into 5 into 5, you do by yourself. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. Like that, fill this table from your side. Okay. Here if you will see, whatever the after cubing one number, we are getting 4 cube 64, 3 cube 27. Like this, here 1, 8, 27, 64, these all numbers are called as a perfect cubes. What we will call perfect cubes means if one number we can express as cube of another number. For example, 27 we can express as 3 cube. Then that number is called as a perfect cube number. Next one, children, if we will observe many cubes of the numbers, we can observe one. If we will take the cube of even number, we will get even number only. If we will take cube of odd number, then we will get odd number only. Next, some interesting patterns in a cube's, children. Whenever if we will see consecutive, observe the following pattern: sum of odd numbers. If we will take any consecutive odd sum of two consecutive odd numbers, here we can observe 1, we can write as 1 cube. Next, 1 after what is the odd numbers? 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. We can write 2 cube. Next, take 3. 7, 9, 10. 7 plus 9 plus 10. Then 3 we are taking 3 cube. Next, 4 odd numbers if we will add, then we will get 4 cube. Like that, this is one of the interesting pattern. One more pattern here if you will observe, children. Prime factorization of its cube. For example, if we will take 4 2 into 2, 4 cube means we can write 4 2 into 2, no, like that. 4 into 4 into 4, same prime factorization we can substitute, like 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Now 6 we can express as 2 into 3. Now 6 cube means 2 into 3 we can write 3 times. Okay. Now children, before exercise 1.1, here children, as I told you already, squares and square roots, what was the method we used to check whether it's a perfect square or not, and to find the square root? The main method we used is prime factorization. The same method here also we will use, children. Okay. First one, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Here they given, first children, if I want to check whether it is a perfect cube or not, first I will do prime factorization. Whenever we were doing a square, children, that time we were making two numbers as one set. But in a cube we have to make three numbers as one set. Now 216. 216 if I will do prime factorization, 2 into 108. 2 ones are, then here 2 into 1s are 2, 8s are 16, but we cannot use from the second time onwards 2 numbers at a time. So placing a 0 in the middle, and 2 8s are 16. Next again 2 54s. Next 2 27s. Next 2 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So we can express 216 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we can make out this as a 2 cube and 3 cube. So 2 cube and 3 cube. So we can express 216 as 6 cube. If we can express one number as a cube of another number, this is a perfect cube number. So yes, 216 is a perfect cube number. For example, if any number, if we will do extra one more number is there, for example, then there are 2 extra it is there, that time you can say that number is not a perfect cube number. But here 216 we can express as 6 cube. So we can say that this is a perfect cube number. Next one, 4 6 6 5 6. Same way, this also we will do the prime factorization, children. Division method prime factorization, I think so you know already. First, I am taking with the 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 will be there, 1 6 means 2 8s are 16. Next again with the 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, then 2 6s are 12. Then again 1 will be there, 1 2 means 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again with the 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 1 will be there, 1 6 means 2 8s are, then 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again with the 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be there, remain here, 1 8 means 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 1 6 means 2 6s are. Again with the 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 1, 2 fives are 10, 1 6, 2 eights are 16. Next with the 2 table, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 1 8 means 2 nines are 18. 729. Then we will go with the 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6, 1 2 means 3 fours are 3 threes are. Again 3 81s, 3 eights are 24, 3 ones are 3. Next 3 twos are 6, then there will be a 2, 2 1 means 3 sevens are. Then 3 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. So we can write 4 6 6 5 6 as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Here also we are getting all 3 numbers as one set. So we can write it as 2 cube into 3 cube into 3, 2 cube into 3. That is 36 cube. So if we are expressing this number as cube of another number, then it's a perfect cube number. In this main only 3 more sums it is there, children. In that maybe there will be a non-perfect cube numbers. Please do like this only. Sets you make out. 3 numbers as one set. Then if any extra number will left over, then it's not a perfect cube. If you will get all the 3 numbers as I said, then it's a perfect cube number. Next, find the smallest number by which each of the following should be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. First one, 675. We have to find which is the number should be multiplied to get the perfect cube number. So to find out that also, first we will do prime factorization. First 675. If we will do the prime factorization, 675 will go in 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 threes are 15. Then 5 fives are 25. Next 5 twos are 10. Then 5 sevens are. Next 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are. So 675 we can express as 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. Now we can observe 3's are there, 3 means this set is there. But 5 set if we will observe 1, 2 5's are there. So to get the set of 3 5's, which number should be multiplied? One more 5 is needed. So what is the number should be multiplied to make it as a perfect cube means 5 is the number. Next 256. Here also if we will do the prime factorization, 2 into 128, 2 into 64, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are. Now we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So here if we will make out the sets, 3 numbers as one set. Now 2 more numbers it is there. Here this set is okay, this set is okay, but in the last set we are having only two twos. So to make it as one more set, what should be multiplied? 2 should be multiplied. Next, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Here in the previous sum we have to find out which is the number should be multiplied to make out the set. Here we have to find out the number which have to be removed, which have to be divided, so that we will make out the sets. So now we will take first one 704. If we will take 704, same children, prime factorization, it will go in 2 table, 2 into 352. Next 2 threes are here, 2 threes are 6, 1 0 means 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. Next 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, 2 6s are. Next 2 88s, 2 44s, 2 22s, 2 11s, 11 ones. So we can write 704 as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So the number should be divided. Here if you will see 2's 3 numbers one set is there. Here 2's one set it is there. What is the extra number we are having? 11 is the extra number. So we don't want that 11. So what should be divided? If we'll divide with the 11, then 11 will get cancelled, then remaining will be a perfect cube. So what is the number should be divided? 11 is a number should be divided. Next, 192. Same way, first we have to do the prime factorization. 2 into 96, 2 into 48, 2 into 24, 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s and 3 1s. Now 192 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here 2's one set, 2's one set, 1 extra 3 it is there. So this extra 3 we don't want. Then if we will remove that 3, then remaining will make out a set. So to remove that 3, what is the number should be divided means 3. If we will divide with the 3, both the 3's will get cancelled. So what is the number should be divided? 3 is the number should be divided. Next, Parikshit makes a cuboid of pristine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will be he needed form a cube? Here, if I want cuboid, then all the sides should be make out with a equal number, means like a cubic number. Here 5 cm 2 it is there and 2 cm 1 it is there. So to make out that 3, so one more 5 cm it is needed, because already 2 it is there, and 2 more 2 centimeters is needed. So totally 5 centimeter 1 and 2 centimeters 2, that is 20 centimeters more needed. So totally 20 cuboids will be needed. Next, cube roots. What is meant by cube roots means it's a reciprocal, it's a converse action of a cube. For example, if we are having a cube, 3 cube, then the converse action of cube will be 1 by 3, that is cube root of. Here, if we'll see, 1 cube is 1. Cube root of 1 means, that is like how it will get how we will get means 1 to the power 1 by 3. Just inverse action of a cube. Now how we can do this means 1 to the power 1 by 3, 1 I can write as 1 cube whole to the power 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, we will get 1. Same way here 8, cubic root of 8. That time 8 is nothing but 8 to the power 1 by 3. So 8 we can write as 2 cube. So 2 cube whole to the power 1 by 3, 3 will get cancelled 2. But always no need to follow this, children. Whenever we are having cubic root of 8, then we will write 2 cubic root. Then this cube and cubic root will get cancelled, with answer will be 2. This is the way to follow. Here some of the cubic roots we have given, like cubic root of 64. So 4 cube we can write. So cube and cubic root will get cancelled. Cubic root of 125. So 5 cube and cubic root will get cancelled. So cubic root of 125 is 5. Same way this and all we will get. Okay. Now cube root through prime factorization. Same way, children, if this is a number 8, 27 and all, we will do directly because of a small number. Whenever if it is there a big numbers, we cannot perform directly, no. So for that, what we will do means prime factorization. So 3375, how we can write? By how we can write a cube of what we can write? For to find that, first we will do the prime factorization and we will write 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Now we can write this as 3 cube and 5 cube. So for each and every 1 cube will get cancelled with the cube root and will come out 3 into 5 directly. Or else step by step means 3 into 5 whole to the cube. Now 3 into 5 whole cube, cubic root of 3 into cubic root of 3 into 5 whole cube, then cube and cube root will get cancelled, we will get 3 into 5, that is 15. Next, cube root of a cube number. One more estimation method also it is there to find the cube root of a cube number, children. What is that means? Take any cube number, perfect cube number 857,375 is nothing but 8,57,375. What we will do means from the right side we will make three numbers as one group. So here 6 numbers are there. So 375 is the first group, 857 is the second group. Now we will estimate of the cube root of separately that sets. First group if we will take 375. The units place the number it is there 5. So what we will do means the units place 5 it is there means where we will get 5 in a unit place when for what number if we will do cube we will get a 5 in a unit place means 5 only. Other than 5 for any other number you will not get 5 in a cube place means unit place of cube number. So the unit place number we will decide as a 5. It will end with the 5. Next take the next number 857. 857 it's not a perfect cube number 857. Now we will check it is in between which cubes. Here 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. So this 857 is in between 729 and 1000. Okay, so in this which is the smallest number? 9 cube. 9 is the number. So we will decide one more number as 9. So what is the cube root of this number means 95. Okay, in a same way estimation method you please try to do, children. One more sum is there in exercise. So that sum I given as a homework for you. Try to do that. Okay. Next exercise 1.2. First one. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. First, prime factorization method means as we know already 64. First we will write the given number as a multiplication of primes, then we will make out the sets. Now 64, 2 into 32, 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 64 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Totally 3 here one set, here one set. So we can write 2 cube into 2 cube. So this cube root and these cubes will get cancelled. We will get 2 into 2 out, that is 2 2s are 4. Next 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. Now last place 5 it is there means we will go with the 5 prime factorization. 5 3s are 15. Next 5 1s are 5. 1 is there remaining here. So 1 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 is there remaining. 2 5 means 5 5s are. Again last place 5 it is there. So I will go with the 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 625. Again with the 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are. Again with the 5 table. 5 25s. 5 5s. 5 1s. So 1 5 6 2 5 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write it as 5 cube into 5 cube. So cubic root of 5 cube into 5 cube means cubes and cube root will get cancelled. We will get 5 into 5, that is 25. Next 110572. Same way, this is a long big number. So long prime factorization. First I will do step by step, children. Do step by step with the 2 table. First 2 5s are here. 2 5s are 10. 1 is there remaining. 1 0 again 2 5s are. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 1 9. So 2 9s are 18. Then 1 2 2 6 are. Again 2 2s are 4. 1 5 2 7s are 14. 1 2 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Again with the 2 table, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Next 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again with the 2 table, 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again with the 2 table, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6. Again with the 2 table, 2 1s are, because last number we are getting here 2 2 2 only children, means it's a even number, so we will go with the 2 table only maximum. So 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 1 4, 2 7s are 2 2s are, again 2 8s are, again 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 2 4s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again with the 2 table, 2 into 216, 2 108, 2 54s, 2 27s. 27 will not go with the 2 table, so we will go with the 3 table. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So we can write this number as 2 into 2 into 2, 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 3 into 3 into 3. Now make out the sets. 3 3 2s as one set and 3 3s as one set. So we can write this as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Now this all cubes and cube root will get cancelled. Now we will get out 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Next 4 6 6 5 6. Again it will go with the 2 table. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. But here remaining 1 will be there. 1 6 means 2 8s are. Next again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Here remaining 1 will be there. 1 3 means 2 6 are 12, the nearby number. Again 1 will be there. 1 2, 2 6 are 2 4s are 8. Next again with the 2 table, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, 1 will be the remaining. 1 6 means 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again with the 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 8, 2 9s are, and then 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Again with the 2 table, because all we are getting even in the ones place, so we will go with the 2 table only. 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are. 729. So this even, it's not a even number, so it will not go with the 2 table, we will go with the 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 2 means 3 4s are, 3 3s are. Next 3 81s, 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s and 3 1s. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. So we can write 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So the cube root and all cubes will get cancelled. We will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Totally 36 is the cube root of 46,656. Next, this is your practice time, children. It's very easy video, and even practice time also very less it is there, because already squares and square roots you had seen each and every method. So I am expecting each and everyone will do and send this practice time on Thursday. Thank you, children. Be safe. Keep learning. Lakshmi Aravinda.